We are at the SEMA 2023 show in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're showcasing our new Infinity Harley Davidson audio kits that we're introducing here. So we're introducing 3 Harley Davidson kits here at SEMA this year. We've got a 2-speaker, a 4-speaker, and a 6-speaker kit. And then we have 3 accessory packs, 2 lowers that are determined by either twin-cooled or non-twin cooled, and then a 6x9 add-on kit for your bag lids. Our kits include a Saddle Tramp DSP that is Harman tuned with an Infinity sound signature. We have a 2-speaker kit that incorporates a 4-channel amp, leaving you 2 channels to add your 6x9s, lowers, or bridge it to add a subwoofer if you choose to do that. We've got a 4-speaker kit that consists of your front fairing, your bag lids, and then the 6-speaker kit adds the tour pack in the back here of the bike, as well as giving you another 4-channel amplifier that you can utilize to run your lowers when you're ready to add them, or add a subwoofer to it. All of our systems are pure plug and play, and each speaker has an independent channel, so it's a dedicated amplifier for each speaker, having better control and better sound signature on those products. Our speakers, the 6x9s and the 6.5s, are convertible design, and so we're able to remove the tweeter and bi-amp them if we choose to. Also it's a composite basket. It's the only speaker on the market utilizing basalt fiber cone material. So this is the Infinity Kappa 600X. It is a from-the-ground built-up product specifically for Harley-Davidson application. The contours of the speaker ensure it's going to fit properly. It is a bi-amp design, so you can control the tweet and mid independently. It is a convertible design, so the tweeter, which is a large soft dome tweeter in here, is removable, and so you can utilize that to mount the tweeter in a different location. We provide a cap to make this waterproof again. We don't do any center pole tweeter mounting, so we're able to get a better IPX rating from the front of it, and it is using, again, a basalt woven carbon fiber cone on it.